First of all, look at my earning. I have earned this small amount just by completing surveys. I have taken payment from this site 5 times so far. This site is available worldwide. People from any country can join and earn money. I have $1.76 right now. I will withdraw $1.76 live, so that you can be sure that this site is legit and genuine. In this site you can withdraw your earning amount through PayPal, cryptocurrency, stake, gift card and game skin. The minimum withdrawal of PayPal is $5 and the minimum withdrawal of cryptocurrency is $2. I have only $1.76, so I will withdraw through cryptocurrency. I have a Dogecoin wallet right now, so I click on Dogecoin. Here I submit my Dogecoin address and submit my earning amount below. After that I click on withdraw. You can see, my $1.75 has been successfully withdrawn. Now I open my Dogecoin wallet and refresh once. You can see, I withdrew $1.75. After deducting some taxes, I got 1.63 USD credited to my Dogecoin wallet. This site sends the payment immediately after withdrawal. I have given the sign up link of this site in the description of the video. Click and join. Now let's talk about the earning potential of this site. There are many ways of earning in this site, but today I will discuss only about paid surveys. Now you can see that there are many surveys available in feature survey. The amount of each survey is quite high. The first survey is of 23 minutes and its reward is $5.29. The second survey is of 16 minutes and its reward is $4.49. This is the first site worldwide which gives the highest reward on completing a survey. I have used more than 50 survey sites till now, but I have not found a better survey site than this. The amount of yellow-colored surveys is a little less and the amount of green-colored surveys is more. For example, a green color survey is of 22 minutes and its reward is $3.72. Apart from feature surveys, there is also an option of survey partner. Currently 6 survey partners are available. I have tested these 6. Out of these 6, I found your survey and CPX Research to be good survey partners. Currently, 3 surveys are available in CPX Research. CPX Research provides very easy surveys. I have completed 23 surveys in CPX Research so far. My total earning in CPX Research is 10,430 coins. This is approximately equal to $10. Recently I completed a survey of 1327 coins whose timing was 18 minutes. A few days ago, I completed 2 surveys consecutively. The first one was of 639 coins and the second survey was of 484 coins. Guys, now let's talk about the sign-up process of this site. I have given the sign-up link in the description of the video. As soon as you click on the link, you will be directed to the sign-up page of this site. This site has so far paid $93,060,633 to its users. You can create your account on this site through email, Google and Steam. As soon as you click on Google, you will receive a mail like this on your email. Simply click on Verify Email Address. Your account will be successfully created. Thank you.